Have you ever stopped to consider the tiny world beneath your feet? The one we often overlook, dismissing it as just, well, sand? But what if I told you that a single grain of sand is a universe unto itself? Prepare to have your perspective shifted. Because what's hidden inside a single grain of sand, under a microscope, will absolutely blow your mind. At first glance, sand appears uniform, a simple collection of gritty particles. But under the lens, the illusion shatters. Each grain transforms into a miniature landscape, a testament to the forces of nature and the passage of time. Forget smooth, bland surfaces instead. We find a dazzling array of shapes, colors, and textures. Some grains are sparkling crystals, remnants of ancient mountains, or perhaps the seabed. Others are weathered and worn, their edges softened by endless tumbling in rivers and oceans. You'll see fragments of shells, the skeletal remains of creatures that once thrived in the sea. And the colors? They range from the palest of whites to deep reds, greens, and browns, a palette determined by the minerals that make up each grain. But the real magic happens at a higher magnification. Now, we're not just looking at grains, we're exploring entire ecosystems. Tiny organisms, too small to see with the naked eye, call these grains home. Bacteria, fungi, and microscopic animals cling to the surface, forming intricate communities. They thrive in the spaces between the grains, a hidden world of life and death, of nutrients and waste. You might discover the remnants of ancient volcanic eruptions, tiny bubbles of gas frozen in time, or the delicate structures of microscopic plants. Every grain tells a story, a history of the Earth, written in minerals and organic matter. It's a constant reminder that even the smallest things can be incredibly complex and beautiful. So, the next time you're at the beach or walking along a sandy path, take a moment to appreciate the sand beneath your feet. Remember, you're standing on an untold story, a world of wonders waiting to be discovered. Each grain is a tiny universe, a testament to the grandeur and intricacy of nature. And who knows what marvels you'll find when you look a little closer